Okay, guys. I'm sorry, Sarah. Sarah wants to do a story, but she does it in Swedish. So, anyway, this is Zadra at Energylandia, and he stapled us into these seats like completely crazy.
Like put me in the seat.
Yeah, no. He pushed us down. Yeah, exactly. Oh, it's gonna be so much fun.
We have our glasses on.
Yeah, we have the glasses on again. Here we go, guys. RMC wooden roller coaster POV. Don't miss to watch the full vlog. Wow! I hope you like this, guys, because we do. Woo! Wow! This is a great roller coaster. Wow! I am sorry, wildfire. Oh, wow! I am sorry, wildfire. You are not my favorite RMC anymore. Here's our glasses, guys, by the way, that you have to wear on this roller coaster when you ride in the front. But anyway, wildfire at Kolmården is now my second favorite RMC. It's the best RMC that I've ever ridden. This was amazing. Oh, it was great. We need to do that again.